Hello guys, magandang araw. Ito po ay Epson L5290 printer and we are unboxing it, and we bought it around 13,000 pesos last year. We decided to buy because I know that it suits our budget and nakukuha naman yung gusto namin to print and scan long paper. Ito na yung mga nasa loob ng kanyang box. This is really ideal for businesses and personal use. This printer comes with a full suite of connectivity features including Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet. Pwede ka mag-print wirelessly. You can save more and waste less with Epson's affordable ink bottles that offer spill and error-free refilling. So we got right here the black, yellow, magenta, and cyan to refill. Ni-refill naman isa-isa and inabot hanggang sa dulong linya. This can easily be cleaned through cotton buds. I would suggest using cotton buds instead of cotton balls dahil baka papasok yung fiber niya sa loob. We can start it off by plugging it in, and you can long press the power button till the green light's on. And this is what we can see on the screen. So we choose English as our language and press OK. And in regards to Epson Smart Panel, we don't have app, so just press or choose no.
Yan, select ang langguan.
Select natin ng Philippines.
Select yung country.
Country region is Philippines. Ayun, siya, okay.
You can set the date whichever you prefer. So dito sa amin, day, month, and year.
Okay.
And we prefer 12-hour format. If you want to change AM or PM, press nyo lang tong dalawang arrows dito.
Natin yan for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Punta tayo sa google.com and type in Epson L5290 driver. Then click the first link. And scroll down, choose which operating systems that runs your computer. So in my case, I'm using Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and also you can see it's automatically detects what operating system you are in, and just click the download button on the right side. Then you can click accept button. Then you can see the progress in your downloads folder, or on the top right status of the downloads there, right there. After that, go to your downloads folder, run the epson.exe file to begin the installation. Now just scroll down or click accept to begin. And syempre may mag-prompt, magsisinungaling ka na lang kung nabasa mo na ba ito. Just click yes, then next, and then click the checkbox. It will install some of the files. Before clicking the next, dapat connected ang iyong Ethernet cable sa inyong printer. Under this, check nyo na lang lahat, then install. So we're not done yet. We do not use the printer during installation. Wait until the process is complete. So click natin yung next. Checking the firmware. And then click finish. That's it.
A few moments later.
So we have our initialization completed, and mamaya pa tayo mag-print. So adjust lang natin yan later. So dito naman, di natin siya gagamitin as fax, which is choose no. So what we can see in our menu is fax, quiet mode, settings, maintenance, Wi-Fi setup, scan, and copy. Dito naman tayo sa ating Wi-Fi setup. Choose Wi-Fi recommended, and then press OK to proceed. So under Wi-Fi setup wizard, click or press OK to proceed. Then makikita natin yung Wi-Fi name natin. Choose your Wi-Fi. Then press OK to proceed. Type nyo lang ang password ng Wi-Fi ninyo using the keys on screen. You can start printing documents na.